I'm Trevin Reese with Ready America. We are a family-owned company in business for over 30 years. I'm excited to share with you our newest line of emergency kits. We want you to be prepared for disasters, and the best way is with our elite emergency kits. Experts agree that emergency services may not be available for up to 2 weeks. So, with that in mind, get your elite 4-person, 3-day emergency kit in large black backpack with red stitching. Contents include Frontier water bottle filtering 100 gallons of water, 6 2,400 calorie food bars, 36 Mayday water pouches with 4 Ziploc bags that have a spout for drinking water, 50 water purification tablets, 1 emergency power station including cell phone charger, radio, alarm, and flashlight, 8-inch survival knife with compass and survival kit, heavy-duty multi-tool, 4 N-95 masks, stainless steel water bottle, 107-piece first aid kit, 1 folding shovel, 3 biohazard bags, 2 4-ounce hand sanitizer, 2 2-person tube tents, pair of high-quality leather gloves, 2 basic hygiene kits, 2 additional toothbrushes and mouthwash, 4 12-hour light sticks, 1 micro spark wheel, Heritage Light Me Tinder Pack, 3-pack of Instafire in Mylar pouches, 5-in-1 survival whistle, 10-yard roll of duct tape, 25-foot nylon cord, 4 ponchos, 4 knit caps, 12 wet naps, 1 set of wipes and soft dispenser, 4 sets of tissues, document pouch, 4 survival blankets, 8 nitrile gloves, and 1 deck of playing cards. Lastly, you can register your backpack and receive a reminder to refresh your food and water. All Ready America backpacks are 100% guaranteed. Let's take the first step now to get prepared. Thanks for watching.